In the end, we fall apart, creating only what we know. Share.
I think 2018.
2018 we
Yeah.
met, we reunited on a dinner
Yeah.
with a few of our schoolmates. So that was kind of a very mini reunion, and at that time we used to, like, we were connected, but then later I think we exchanged numbers and the communication gap was reduced. So chats were more often, sort of like that. We could have started dating in 2019, by the way,
Correct.
but we started dating in 2020.
20. Yeah. Correct. But the thing was, she knew it quite later that she was my school crush. I never told her in
he
school.
never showed it. He was
Yeah.
not a person. He is not a person who was like, even if you're like talking to him, he came out to be very decent as a person, like very decent as a boy. Well mannered, homely, with all the good manners. Like, he never tried hitting on me, tried flirting with me. So how will I know that he has a crush on me? There were no hints from his end. So I didn't expect that. Only when he actually confessed that no, I liked you back in school and all of that.
No, because I was quite focused towards cricket, and that was the make or break time for me, like growing up, going into the under 19. So it was just my thinking that let's focus on one thing first, and later things might take course of their own. But I feel I'm quite lucky that the thing after 10th standard we lost touch. I think I just remember her seeing at a railway station in Mumbai, and then it was just a hi, hello, and then I was just thinking that let's see how it.
It is so
goes
sad that I
ahead.
don't even remember that. He keeps on telling me, no, you were standing there. He remembers the dress I was wearing, the color of my top, the color of my jeans, everything he remembers. He tells me, you just waved at me. I think I waved at you, right?
Yes, correct.
And I was off to my college, I think, and he was supposed to meet a friend at that station and then go ahead
For
to his college.
practice.
But yeah, that's it. I mean, for me, he was just a boy from my school. Until as I mentioned, the communication grew, and then I realized, no, he's a person I would like investing my time.
I remember 2020 month of February, and before COVID, we met after the cricket season was finished. We just met, and we.
I think you were back from a tournament,
Correct.
and I was, I think, I was supposed to fly to for my colleagues for a trip, and before that we met, and he was very confident and sorted. He sounded very confident that what exactly he wants from me, for me, with him. So on the very first interaction, like in a romantic form, he came as a very confident person that he is someone that who's looking at me from a very future point of view, very very stable. Like, that's what a girl wants in a boy, stability. So I found that him right away. So I was like, wow, nice.
And I was very clear, because as we all know, athlete's career, it's like ups and downs and anything. I just told her that, see, cricket is a field which is very uncertain. Sometimes you'll have ups, sometimes you'll have downs, but you should be able to be on the same page always, like be grounded, and the support should be there. It's not about the fame which we just have in cricket, it's a lot of hard work. So she was least bothered about all these things, fame and everything. She just had that connect with me. So it was the best thing happened to me there, because all these things are materialistic things. Cricketer's career is few years down the line, 10-15 years more. But what lasts is the trust and the connect which we both had back then, and it's been growing since then. So I feel very lucky, because very few people get chance to marry their school crush, and actually it's like God's plan. We were there with each other since childhood, but we later knew when it all
Yeah,
took
like
its course.
physically
And
we were around each other
Yeah.
since junior KG.
Yeah. See the smile, still the same.
Same. Later we realized, oh, like this is meant to be forever. This. Do it as fast as you can.
Catch the ball in the bucket.
I'll throw. Wait.
Yes.
Throw it.
Show.
Throw it. Hey, you purposely putting it out.
No, I'm not. Throw.
See, purposely putting it
No.
out.
अरे
See?
एक भी नहीं जा रहा है अंदर. डाल. अरे क्या कर रहे हैं? अरे. I mean, I was very clear with her when I met her that this is an uncertain career. I don't guarantee future. I don't guarantee anything. I don't want to talk about future, that we'll do this, we'll do that. We'll just stay in present and give each other the quality time and quality things which are necessary in a relationship. I just told that, and I told that I really want to spend my future life with you. So think you can take your time and tell me later. But she was very upfront and very immediate. It was that she might have thought that
Actually, I was waiting
Yeah.
ki when he'll ask me, because for me, giving him hints was that I am talking to you. I am making a first hi. For me, it was a big thing that I am hinting him that she is someone who, like, I never talk to anyone much. So for me, it was like I am giving him hints. He's not understanding. I was waiting ki when he'll ask. Finally he asked, and he was very, like, as he mentioned, he was very sorted, that live in the moment. We take one day at a time. We're not thinking too much about the future. We're not thinking about anything about the past. We are living and making most of the present. And I think that is something which sustained our relationship till the time we got married, because that's how it should be. Take each day at a time, enjoy that particular day to the fullest. Where's the sun?
wait, it's coming out.
Where you'll not get any space.
I'll get every space. It's a tree.
Draw a boat in the river.
That's a man. I mean, the best thing which I have realized is, even if we fight after 5 minutes, it's all normal, because we have been known each other since so long time. Just understands that this was out of frustration.
Sometimes, yeah, we start joking about that fight.
Yeah, we start
And
joking
sometimes I
about
forget
that fight.
what happened, why we fought.
So it's been like we have known each other since long. So it's nothing like we don't fight. एकदम ऐसा घुस के, it's like just normal.
There are arguments, but fights as such,
Yeah, very less.
there's like a phase, there's a phase you keep on fighting, and then that phase is like past. Now you're married and all, you can't fight. That's not an option. And you don't have a topic to fight actually. I
First
think-
thing is you have to try, because if you just keep thinking, which I did for so long, is the thing which what the other person might feel and what will go wrong. It's simple. You have to try, which I realized quite late. It's very easy for me to say that you should just go and open up your heart, but that's what worked for me.
You thought I'll say no?
Yeah, obviously, because it's always that's why I waited so long.
Yeah, I know. And I was
Yeah.
waiting, why he's not asking me?
So the one thing is that you have to try and just open up your heart and just be genuine with your feelings. That's what I feel.
So in a girl's mind, she has a few checklists. If that is matching in the person who's approaching, I think it suits. Like the basics, I think. Like how you, like I was a teacher, so I have always been stuck with the basics. If he's honest, if he's loyal, if he's able to make time. So what I like about him is he is mostly away for his games, for his tournament and all. But he makes sure the moment he's coming back, he takes me somewhere out for a few days, maybe a week, maybe a 4-day trip somewhere near. But then it's only him and me. So that's like small, very small things. Like he doesn't have to do that. He can anytime say that I have been away from home for so long. I don't want to be out. I just want to be home. But he never does that. Like he makes sure that he has a small plan, maybe 2-3 days. But he makes sure that he's having the time only with me. Then there's no one. It's only him and me. So that's a very sweet thing about it. Wait, I'll show you. How is that supposed to be? HARNABHA. Now we write FLAMES. FLAMES. Okay. So now A cancel. H cancel. Nothing na common. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's FL. Oh, enemies, yeah, enemies.
हाँ ऐसे रहता है.
कुछ तो गड़बड़ हाँ.
Earlier we used to meet 2 days a week. Now we meet daily, and
now it's like if I'm going out somewhere, he's like, when are you coming back? When are you coming back? Like we constantly need each other. It's not like hey go, jaan choti. ऐसा नहीं है. Like we kind of are very into each other. Like I need him all the time. He needs me all the time.
Absolutely, because that connect has been there since so long. So when you think of a thing which you want to make it happen, and when it happens, it's like completely different. You want to give that person time and everything, whatever you have. So it's been like that way since we got married, and it's been quite stable after marriage, because earlier, like she stays in the same town as me, but we used to get less time to spend with each other and
Because
each
he was
other's
away.
family. So
There was a time when we used to meet like very secretly, because nobody was aware. Like even his friends were not aware that he's dating, or my friends, I had shared that I am dating someone and all. It was very private. So most of the photos and all also are only selfies. There's no third person clicking a picture of us. It's only after the engagement and all we post for a picture, a couple picture and all of that.
Correct. Now you can catch them. I think that's been a really great quality of her, or a blessing in disguise, that she doesn't understand cricket that well. But the only thing she understands is the effort which I give. She knows what I've been through, what hard work a cricketer does, or any athlete does. So she respects that. And that is very important for me, because results come and go. If my wife starts judging me for results, it's the deadliest place ever, I feel. But she's just very, very normal and very humble towards the effort I do, no matter what result I get on the field. So that's been really great for me, and that's been like a support to me. Because as you've seen, Mahiba always say, follow the process. So she is the one who encourages me to follow the process more, not just focus on the results and judge me on the results which are on the field.
I think the moments where he take wickets, that's all I understand. Actually, see, moments in cricket, I think more of his dedication I get to witness at home. Like he's very strict with what he's eating, he's very strict with his routine. If something is told to him, he makes sure that he's doing that very religiously, very honestly, and I love witnessing his hard work and his efforts he's putting into, his so that he can perform on field. So I love watching him taking those wickets.
I have a surprise for you.
Wow.
So, hello class. CSK
I'm supposed to.
for you. Now we are going to watch movie. Which popcorn?
Movie.
Yes, movie.
It's a super couple show or a date?
Date and a show mix.
I'll go with this. Himalayan Sound Canada.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Surprise for you.
Again a surprise?
Yes.
I
again
thought
a
the flower
surprise.
was the only surprise. Surprise.
Yes, this is the surprise.
Big surprise. Nice.
Let's go here.
We don't sit so far in theatre. Come.
Yes.
Nostalgic.
Best event.
I know. That haldi turned into Sangeet.
Yes.
Oh God. Oh.
Haldi and a Holi also.
Haldi Holi. Yellow.
Yellow. Too good.
Good, I didn't cry, no, at the wedding. So, wedding was like after the championship happened. That was the time when our families actually met.
Correct.
So, it was an official meet. Till then, we had only respectively told our family, but they had not met. And after they met, it was quick because it was kind of already like in our heads that we are supposed to get engaged in the month of July. So that was quick, and we didn't have the proper Muhurat for the wedding. So we got a good time to prep for our wedding, and post that in December we got married. Marriage was great. He was not there. I did the most of things.
Yeah, I mean, I was out for the India A tour
Yeah,
to
correct.
South Africa, and I was very nervous because the time span was very less. Me going to South Africa, then coming back, and within 2 days getting married, it was quite crunched. But at the same time, it was very exciting, and it was a whole different feeling because
You get married.
yeah, marrying my school crush also, and very happy but very nervous.
Which I
about
was
that.
not aware of.
Yeah, but very nervous on the marriage day as well because it started 2 days ago, all the preparations and all
Preparations.
a bit.
Yeah, like you landed,
Yeah,
and then right 2 days after you got
yeah,
married
everything.
also.
It was so fast, but the family made sure that I was
Mhm.
in less stress and just very happy.
Like everything
and,
was
yeah,
taken care of,
care of.
yours, your outfit, your
yeah,
everything and
yes,
all.
happy and cheerful on the day of the
Damn.
marriage, so that the pictures also came really
Yeah,
great.
yeah, yeah.
So it was amazing day for me, for us.
For us, me.